We are talking about drilling inside tunnel. Drilling inside a tunnel refers to the process of making holes in the tunnel face, the working surface, using drilling equipment. These holes are later used for charging explosives, for blasting, or for inserting support elements, which is a key process in tunnel excavation and tunnel support. Purpose of drilling are excavation, support installation work, drainage, probe holes. Drilling equipment. Used are jumbo drill drilling rig, used in large tunnels. It has multiple hydraulic arms that hold the drilling rods. Jackhammer drifter for smaller tunnels or when jumbo rigs are not feasible. Handheld drills, used in very narrow or short tunnels. Steps of drilling in tunnel construction. 1. Marking the tunnel face. The drilling pattern is designed on the face according to the tunnel size and rock type, called the blast pattern or drilling pattern. 2. Positioning the drill rig. The drilling jumbo is positioned close to the tunnel face. 3. Drilling holes. Holes, usually 32 to 64 millimeters in diameter and 2 to 6 meters deep, are drilled according to the pattern: cut holes, stopping holes, and contour holes. 4. Blowout cleaning. Compressed air is used to clean dust and cuttings from the drilled holes. 5. Charging and blasting. Explosives are placed into holes and connected to detonators and fuses for blasting. 6. Ventilation and mucking. After blasting, the tunnel is ventilated to remove gases, and the muck, broken rock is removed. 7. Scaling and support installation. Loose rock is removed, and primary supports like shotcrete, wire mesh, and rock bolts are installed. Drilling patterns in tunnel face are burn cut, V-cut, fan cut, parallel cut. Key factors affecting drilling efficiency are rock type and hardness, drill bit condition and type, proper alignment and pattern accuracy, air pressure and machine power, skill of the operator. If you need more details on this topic, please comment below. We will come with new videos. Thank you.